Today I've got a treat that is guaranteed to level up your dinner plans. We're heading to Mexico to cook up a comforting, hearty and absolutely divine cheesy one-pan Mexican beef recipe. It's a flavour-packed one-pan meal that is ideal for meal prep. It's perfect for those busy weeknights when you want something everyone will love, yet it's super quick and easy to clean up. Hey, I'm nutritionist Scott Baptie and welcome back to my Food for Fitness kitchen. Recently on the channel, I've been cooking a lot of one-pot rice dishes because they're proven to be super popular with people who like to do meal prep and cook their meals up in advance. So in this video, I've decided to film one of the most popular one-pot rice dishes that I've come up with, and that is called cheesy one-pan Mexican beef. It really is a delicious meal. It's so quick to make. You only have one pan, and probably the most popular thing is the fact that it's covered in a blanket of melted cheese. I mean, what's not to like? Anyway, no more talking needed. Let's go and cook it. Right, veggie prep time. First thing we're going to do is to chop up an onion, and then I'm going to chop up a red pepper. Now you can be pretty flexible. You could use any color of pepper, or you could even use different vegetables. You could use courgette, that would work quite well with it, or just something else that's a bit crunchy you've got in the fridge. Then you're going to heat a large pan on a medium to high heat, add a little bit of oil, and then fry the pepper or whatever veg you're using and onion for a couple of minutes until it is nicely softened, starting to smell aromatic, and then ready for you to add in the next ingredients. So I'm going to add in 10 grams of minced garlic along with 2 tablespoons of fajita seasoning. You can add extra chili at this point if you want it to be quite hot, but I'm cooking for the kids, so I'm not adding anything spicier other than just the chilies that are already in the fajita mix. So we're going to fry that for about 30 seconds or so, and then add 5% fat, lean steak mince, and you're going to cook that until it is nicely browned and there's no more red bits remaining. Also at this point in the video, it would be fantastic if you could hit that like button. I really do appreciate it. It's not for my ego. It just helps the growth of the channel and allows the video to be seen by more people. Then add 300 grams, that's the raw weight of rice. Make sure you've rinsed it first to get rid of any of the starch. And then mix that through the mixture, similar to how you would cook risotto or paella. You always sort of coat the rice in the mixture. Then once you've done that, add 700 ml of beef stock and 1 tin of chopped tomatoes. Mix everything through, and then you're going to pop the lid on this and simmer for about 20 minutes until most of the liquid is pretty much absorbed and the rice is almost cooked through. It doesn't need to be fully cooked through at this stage, just about 90%. Because then you're going to add some low-fat cheddar on top. You'll be amazed at how far 60 grams goes, along with something green. I'm using a handful of fresh coriander, but you could use parsley. And then you're going to pop the lid on with the heat off and just allow that to steam cook for 3 to 5 minutes. That'll just finish cooking the rice and it'll melt the cheese on top, and then you get something delicious looking like this. Then you just need to plate it up or divvy it up into meal prep containers. Again, garnish it a little bit more, and that is it. So there we have it, cheesy one-pan Mexican beef. Can't wait to get stuck into this one. And as always, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you're a new viewer, if you've not had a chance yet, just make sure to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future high-protein recipe videos. Hit that like button because it really helps me out, and it means the video is more likely to be seen by more people. And leave a comment and let me know what you thought of this recipe. Right, I'm off to go and eat it. I'll speak to you later.